Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another ATS run, a small run with my brother Raj Bear. He's on his way in now. And, oh, there he is. And let's get to it.
Where are thy Christmas cookies?
Don't know. My truck, I'm so used to be driving the Kenworth that this truck looks miniature.
Yeah, I know.
It's a relatively small journey, but it's only 6 hours, so.
Can you not?
Not what?
The guy that's right here.
Yeah. What do you do, cut you off?
No, I'm about to hit him with the trailer.
Ah. Well, I'm waiting up here at the stoplight, just after the stoplight, so.
Go, get out of my way. Go.
I like this new paint job. This is that Santa sleigh, when it looks like he's got Rudolph, the Rudolph skin over the snowmobile. This is the one I
Yeah.
thought you were gonna like.
I didn't even get much of a chance to look.
Well, guys, we tried to get something that had that the packages on there on the sides. It looks like it was Christmas packages, but we think it's pallet trailers of pallets, but it didn't work on this one, so you'll have to do with make do with
Go.
our paint jobs.
I mean, mine's close to festive in the first place.
Yeah, it is. It grows on you after a while. That actually, I like that.
What, the color of this?
Yeah, this one's a light powder blue. That's why I don't really like it too much, but there is a lot of traffic in front of me here, so I'm just gonna go right by him. Oh, that's the reason why.
Jokes.
Yeah.
Yep, it chokes. Now we need to find a gas station.
Press F5 on the HUD and see what's coming up.
Right in front of us.
Okay. I'm actually trying to drive this on keyboard and mouse today, so this way I can finally start shifting gears instead of playing with the Xbox controller. I'm driving the wrong way on the road, but just realized
Yeah,
that.
it's fine.
Just realized that. Oops.
Diesel is $4.10. I wish it was that cheap.
It's that
Right
cheap.
now it's like $6.60 something.
Well, here in PA.
Well, that doesn't help.
Wow, I'm a full tank after only 98 gallons. Driving the Kenworth actually spoiled me here.
Now you see why I enjoy it so much.
Yeah. Well, this was the first account that I had, the first profile I had when I first got the game. So yeah, I still like the Peterbilt, but I'm so missing my Kenworth right now. That and if we ever redo this, I'm definitely getting a Volvo.
Sorry, what was that?
I'm definitely getting a Volvo.
Sorry, what was that?
I know. I knew you were gonna. I told all my viewers that you were gonna give me some grief about that, but that Volvo truck actually surprised me.
I'm only giving you grief just because this is the truck that I'm going to drive.
Yeah.
I'm not saying anything against any other vehicles, but like this is the one that I'm going to drive.
And Peterbilt has some.
I have an IRL fond of this truck.
The Peterbilt are nice.
I drive it.
I mean,
Peterbilts are fantastic. They're fantastic on their own as well. It's just a matter of if I'm going to drive something, I'm already in it.
yeah. I mean, but I don't know. I'm telling you right now, test out that Volvo on your channel.
Yeah, I will. I do plan like for future videos wise on ATS and everything. I want to make some short trips and actually start doing like different. Because I'm pretty sure you did it already.
Yeah.
Where you have all different types of trucks that you drive. And
Yeah.
I would like to do that myself. And the biggest thing that I have a problem with is I don't really want to, I shouldn't say have criticism over it.
Bias.
Bias. I don't want to be biased over it.
Well, that's where I started doing the quick trips and that, because this way I'm testing them, but I'm also not showing any bias, and I'm actually giving a review on it, because I've already tested a few that the first time around wasn't good enough. It wasn't good. It sucked. However, I decided I'm gonna go and give it a second try, and the one actually was a little better. I think it was Western Star. It was when it had a day cab on it and a bigger engine. It actually wasn't that bad. The day cab, I mean, when it had a sleeper cab on it, the day cab part of it, it was underpowered and ate gas.
Yeah.
I had another one that was just like it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to redo it and test it out. This way I test it out twice, and I'll give it a little oh, I thought you slammed on the brakes there. Okay. Must have been lag.
Just giving it a little tap tap.
But yeah, those packages right there is what we were trying to get, but yeah,
Yes, indeed.
it didn't work.
We're trying to figure out what it is, but there's a lot of different ones.
Yeah. So we'll eventually get that. I'm still waiting for snow.
So am I. So am I. Wait 3 days for snow just that way we can see it and watch it go by. Oh boy, watch this view.
Oh yeah. I've had some really nasty ones lately.
Oh, I remember the one. What was it? Was it the one video we made? No, we were just screwing around on our own.
Yeah, I
Try to make the U and just woo right off.
Yeah, you flew off a bridge. I jackknifed and landed on my side.
Sounds about right.
There's a car going that was right behind you, speeding up, and then it slammed on the brakes, and now it's not doing anything. I don't know if you cut it.
I don't know what to do.
Yeah. Beware of.
Probably cut it off.
Yeah, that's true. Beware of the cars. Sometimes they're regular cars, sometimes they're police cars. They cannot make up their mind and what lane they want to be in. So they keep ping-ponging back and forth.
Yeah.
Unlike, what was that?
Garissy, whatever kind of area we're passing around now. Oregon. I thought it said emergency.
Dude, I've been reading some of these signs for like the towns and that. And I swear to you, in place up in Montana, it was on the highway sign. It said Weeds, approaching Weeds, Montana. I'm like, someone actually named their town Weed?
Whoa, what is going on here? Why are you driving so slow? And then you cut me off.
Yep. Oh, beware of the invisible walls, because I've seen cars and trucks dead on the side of the road with smashed up and nothing in front of them.
Maybe a tow truck already came by and grabbed one of them.
And left the other?
Yeah. Sometimes that happens. If it's a multiple collision, you might have 3 cars and you can only hold 2 on a flat deck.
Yeah, that's true.
Unless, you know, you're a balls and tow truck driver.
This is like the first convoys that were recorded that were actually in a convoy. We're actually following each other.
I know.
The other ones are you're usually 2 or 3 years ahead of me. Or
I mean, I could change that, but I mean, I'm trying to keep on the speed limits.
Yeah. I'm trying to do that too.
I'm just trying to keep around the speed limits. Like, it's a couple over, sure. It's a couple under, okay.
Well, that's why I said to the viewers the last time. I mean, if it's 5 over, that's great. I'm not going to worry about it.
Yeah.
I mean, I've already tested it on here. The police don't give us speeding tickets for being 4 over, so
yeah,
I'm good with that. 4
like,
over.
That's the biggest thing that I can say about it, because like this is at the point in time where if I'm actually driving in real life on this, I would be doing this.
Yeah.
Slightly over, I wouldn't really be caring. Keep it as a main objective of 65, 70, 75, whatever the speed limit is. Stick around it. Don't stick to it like it's, you know, it's a thumbtack tape to it. I do know and I guarantee the fact that if I was driving this and I was driving long range, I would definitely be driving nothing but socks.
Yeah.
Hey, might even take a couple days where I feel spontaneous and drive in just bare feet.
Pretty sure that
Is it
there's
raining for you?
yes. Thunder and lightning.
Okay.
Yeah, I can actually hear the thunder this time. I don't. Normally I don't. I just see the lightning. That truck is racing you, dude.
Well, he's about to lose.
No.
I had 2 more gears.
Though I do like the paint scheme on the trailer. Santa and his reindeer.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we're coming up to a present trailer.
Oh, we are?
Yes, we are.
Oh, yeah, we are. Okay, that truck just went backwards for me. Must be some lag issues tonight.
Either that or you're driving that fast.
I'm doing the speed limit. I'm doing 75. Well, we're only an hour out, so.
I didn't even realize.
Yeah, we're an hour 45. A straight shot. We haven't done one of these convoys in a while, so
Yeah.
we're trying to do more of them, but
Fill up.
get back over in the granny lane.
Even though the granny lane was going.
Oh, I have a safe journey.
You gotta have a safe journey.
Yeah, I'm pulling in with
I
you.
need to pull out.
I'm gonna pull in with you anyway, so.
Headlight usage. My headlights are on. Oh no.
Here's the paint scheme. I'll wait for you up here.
It looks like Santa's sleigh ate a mouse.
Oh, it kind of looks like Santa skinned Rudolph and put it on.
I mean, hey, hunting season just passed.
Yeah, that's true. He might need venison.
I don't know, is reindeer venison?
Yeah? Or no, it might be caribou.
I think it would be a caribou.
Yeah.
Oh, look!
I'm holding up traffic for you, Bill. Yeah, he went around me. Oh well.
You go for it.
Yeah, so did
I tapped someone. I tapped something.
Still cost me. That in front of us, ladies and gentlemen, is what we were trying to accomplish today, but it just didn't work out. So we have to figure out how to do it. And we're still trying to figure out snow. Where the snow comes from, or
the sky.
I know that. Thank you. I'm not talking to IRL. I'm talking about ATS. This truck does not know what it's doing. Go past it.
Hey, boyo! Merry Christmas. Make sure Santa gets his presents. Make sure there's a cigar box in there for me. Or at least a lighter. one little lighter in that big box. That's all I need. One little lighter in a one big box.
See, I'm trying to drive the truck the way you have it, where you normally are driving it, and I'm ping-ponging between the lanes. I need to be inside the cab to do it.
You know, I'm kind of like the opposite. I'll be in the cab and I can drive straight. It's just a matter of I'll start ping-ponging a little bit.
Yeah, well, that's why I have the mirrors up. This way, if I'm in between the mirrors, I'm good. Maybe I'm just used to it. Oh, I'm doing 69 and a 55. I gotta slow down here. Edit.
Yep.
Oh yeah, it's lagging back here. In fact, I'm trying to figure out where you are on the. I see you on the map on the GPS.
Yeah, we're gonna be taking a split here.
Okay, I see it. Getting over in the.
This time getting off. Yeah, it is. Get off at the exit and stay on the left side towards Lima. Or Lima.
Okay, yeah, the Denver one. I see it.
Stick to the left lane.
214.
Trying to pay attention, make sure you're going the right way.
Yeah, I am. See, the GPS and these roads and where this interconnects. They could
be a little more accurate.
Yeah, they could be a lot more helpful.
They can be a tech help.
A short trip today, but I haven't put an ATS out in about a week, so
I have longer than that.
Yeah.
So it's nice to actually get something else that's, going to go up on my channel. Because I do have a bunch of videos that did just go up as well.
Yep.
For example, the one golfing video. Another example being the Sniper Elite video that I will be having up soon.
Yeah, we try to get the Sniper Elite out by Thursday, but technical difficulties with both of our computers. It may be a day late, so it'll probably be Friday.
Yeah, it kind of limited us a little bit, but I mean, hey, we're still trying to, get out what we can and at least push for more stuff to happen.
Yeah. I mean, I already put out War Thunder this week. Tonight is going to be the Golf It, and then tomorrow it's going to be, on Thursday, it'll be Sniper Elite. So this video will be out on a Friday, so. And we're going to start playing other games as well, just to put a little variety in, like Uno and that. And board games, because there is a healthy but friendly competition between the both of us. So.
Always good competition.
Yeah, it definitely looks like Rudolph got skinned and put on top of a sled. It does, though.
Said Rudolph, I need me a new nose for my sleigh.
Oh, you changed the headache rack in your truck. You got the boxes now. You discovered a new agency. Yeah. Under this profile, I do actually have another driver, but.
Where do you need it?
Whoa. Do you see what's on in front of you on the left?
Yeah, the triple trailer?
Yeah. We're gonna have to try that one of these times.
A triple trailer?
Yeah.
Good luck.
I know. That trucker we work with has said that it's probably gonna be nasty.
Oh yes. Oh yes indeed.
I'll wait for you.
There should be non-collision zone.
Well, I'm going right in front of you, right where you're at, so.
Oh, well, that's nice. For you.
Whereas I do park it like you do, but today I'm just gonna do it this way.
Oh, you could have actually parked.
I know. As I said, I could have done it, but because I've done it before, but I don't know, keyboard and mouse.
Feel there's a wind turbine here.
I don't know. Those triple trailers just look interesting. That's all. They're probably going to be difficult, but is our friend at our work said that it's that last trailer that always screws us up. So.
Yep.
But this is where we're going to leave it this time around. If you like and want to see more, just hit the like button, subscribe, and leave in the comments where you want to see us go or what you want to see us do. And Raj, anything to say? Alright guys, until next time. Peace.